You need products that work as hard as you do. Simple Green Pro delivers a complete Jan San cleaning solution, now available in a convenient caddy, bathroom cleaner, glass cleaner, pro odor control, hand soap, hard floor cleaner, carpet cleaner, heavy-duty degreaser, food service cleaner, and dish soap. Our powerful yet safer Pro formulas clean everything from pots and pans to all kinds of flooring, windows, mirrors, and multiple bathroom surfaces. We clean everything in the kitchen, from counters to range hoods, deodorize trash cans, remove carpet stains, even degreasing heavy machinery and tools. And then we clean the hard-working hands that get the job done. Simple Green Pro. The solutions you need, the safety you trust.